And then Allah continues to say, Ma uridu minhum min rizq, wa ma uridu ayyut'imun. Two very interesting things Allah says here. Just to let us know that when we go to the masjid to pray, or when we do ibadah things, go to Hajj, fast, give zakat, pray, we don't put money in Allah's pocket and auzubillah. We don't make Allah richer. Allah is Al-Ghani. He's self-sufficient. Allah is the most wealthiest. And Allah says, Ma uridu minhum min rizq. He emphasizes that He wants the human race to know that your purpose is to worship Allah. Allah does not need anything from you. Ma uridu minhum rizq. Allah said, I don't need your sustenance. You don't give me nothing as sustenance. See? It is you who benefit the human race. وَمَا أُرِيدُ أَيُّطْعِمُونَ. And Allah says, neither do the human beings feed Him. Ta'am, feed. This is important to understand. Allah Akbar, that we worship.